Good morning. Right now what we're going to do is walk you through how to make sure that your Windows 10 is up to date. So you're going to take your mouse and you're going to go to the bottom left-hand corner to that Windows icon there, and you'll use your left click on your mouse to select it. You'll notice that the icon right above it is the power button, and then the next icon above that is a gear, and that's for settings. Once you open the settings window, you'll see down at the bottom, the last one is called Update and Security. You'll select that with the left mouse button, and it'll pop up this window. You'll see here that it says you're up to date, last check today at 9:35. So most likely I'm not going to get anything new when I click for updates, but I'm going to go ahead and press that button, click for updates, and you'll see those dotted lines that are streaming across there, letting you know that it's out there looking to see if there's anything to update. We'll give that a moment to do that. It's looking for things like the virus definitions, maybe some drivers, etc. So you'll now see that it's done because now it brings that box up that says check for updates again. So that lets you know that it completed it, and it then now updates the date and time that it last checked. So we know that's good. One thing I want to make note of is, do you see how there's optional updates here? It gives you the option to download and install these optional updates. My recommendation is to not upload those. Those are updates that Windows sends out periodically, and their history has been the fact that these particular updates seem to get sent out before they're fully baked. So I like to let everybody else in the world try that out first and work through all the glitches and the hang-ups, and then near the end of the system, or when it's no longer optional, then I'll do it. So let everybody else work out the kinks. So I recommend that you leave the optional ones alone. Once it has to be done, it'll occur up at this top section. Know that there may be some updates above that are going to require you to click download, and they'll say that next to it if you're required to do something. Otherwise, it'll happen automatically. And then occasionally, if it's a major update, it may require that you restart your computer, and it'll also note that. But anyway, it's just a great idea to keep yourself updated, make sure everything's in gear. That's going to be the best protection for you out here in the wild world of the internet. So thanks so much. May you have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.